Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y21s, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. And that being said, this process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one that you just don't know, so I do have a pattern set, I'll basically, by doing so, this will allow us to get rid of the screen lock. Now, in addition, by doing this, your device will most likely become FRP locked, and that is strictly, speaking, not going to apply to everyone, but majority of us. So to define if your device will get FRP locked or not, all you really need to know is that if you are logged into a Google account, like this one, and you have a screen lock and you do this, then the device will most likely become locked. And typically when you're going to the setup afterwards, you will be forced to verify one of the two methods. So that would be either the Google account or the screen lock. And assuming you don't know either of those, you would typically be left with a brick, but I'll be recording a video on how you can bypass this. Now that will be in a separate video. So this one here will just stick straight with the reset in order to remove the screen lock. So let's just begin. So I'm gonna lock the device, and I'm gonna start off from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. I'm gonna hold the power button. I'm gonna select power off. And when the device turns off, you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will take us to fast boot mode. So here we're going to select recovery mode, which we need to do using volume buttons. So press volume down once, this will select it, and then press power key to confirm that selection. From here, we're going to select clear data. You can just simply press on it now, and then clear all data. This will bring up a message right at the bottom, letting us know that clearing all data removes all data, wouldn't you know. So we're going to just click on OK. This will begin resetting our device. Now this step here only takes a couple seconds and it's almost right about done. Once it's finished, we can then reboot the device, which will then continue the process in the background. So we're going to select return and the back arrow, restart. OK. And like I mentioned, this will now continue the process in the background. It will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. That is normal. But once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.